In this video, we will talk about named entity recognition. Now, this is again a very important step if you want to extract important piece of information from your document. Now, what exactly is entity? Entity can be a piece of information which represents name of a person or name of an organization, uh, some location like a city or a country or a state, some object. Okay, these piece of information, they are known as entity, and named entity recognition is all about extracting these kind of information. For example, the legendary Sachin Tendulkar was voted as the greatest test men's batsman by a panel of commentators and fans on Star Sports. Now, clearly, you can see that this particular documents has an entity, that is Sachin Tendulkar, name of a famous cricketer person, and Star Sports, which is a name of an organization, right? So, how can we extract such information from a document? Let me show you that practically. So, we can perform named entity recognition using NLTK library, but this time we are preferring a different library called Spacey. And the reason we are preferring this because Spacey makes it much easier. If you want to extract the named entities, Spacey is the library which will make it easier compared to NLTK. So here, if you want to work with Spacey, then obviously you need to install Spacey first. And along with Spacey, you need to download an English language model. Okay. So first of all, do these two installations. Then we will import Spacey, and then we will call spacey.load. We will load the English language model that we have downloaded. After that, this is the document, the same document which we have talked about. We will pass this document in the NLP object, okay, and this will give us a special, this will convert the document into a spacey document. And then we will iterate over spacey.ends. Now, ends means entities, okay, and we will loop over it, we'll iterate over it. So entity for entity in spacey.ends. And you can see that it is giving us Sachin Tendulkar and Star Sports. It is returning all the entities present in this particular document. Okay. So this is named entity recognition. You can extract meaningful information like name of a person, location, organization, and so on and so forth using this concept. We'll see more concepts in text preprocessing in the next video.